Hi, my name's John. Welcome to the first Sunday of the month. On the first Sunday of the month is the time I draw my free monthly draw. I'm going to go upstairs, press some buttons on the computer, see if I can find a winner. Right then, Grump's Barn. All you have to do is send me an email. That's my email address up there, and I'll get the stuff to you as soon as possible. I am going to do another giveaway. I'm going to continue to do giveaways as long as people keep sending me stuff to give away. I mean, I've been given another 0 to 1 inch micrometer, a tense one in really good condition. I've got two. I've got one I use and one's too good to use, so I might as well give this away. There's also one or two nice items which I'll be showing a little bit later on. If you want to enter this month's free draw, it's really easy. All you've got to do is comment in this video. You can write any comment you want, but it must contain the phrase 2026 give away 5. Now I'm going to type this out in the description box, so all you've got to do is copy and paste it so you can't get it wrong. But that's what it is, 2025 give away 5. Right, let's have a look, see what I've found to give away this week. These are the prizes for this month's giveaway. There's a double boost cap there. These are still available on eBay, this one and the piss-wobbly. I'll put the link in the description box. Set of clearing drills, really good gear. A really handy little deburrer from my friend Rob at Extreme Plasma, and one of his pens. And possibly the star of the show is a 0 to 1 inch mic. It's also intense. It wants adjusting. I'll do that before it's sent away. But all in all, some nice little prizes, well worth winning.